Chrissy's Corner. In today's video we'll be making a self-watering system, and we'll be using stuff like 4mm pipes and 19mm pipes and some clips as well. But we need more stuff, so we have to go to Bunnings warehouse to get some more things. Today we're at Bunnings to get some irrigation stuff, but as usual I do get sidetracked and I decided to get some sweet corn.
Awesome.
We already do have sweet corn, but our sweet corn's dying also. We do need some more.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm going to put that in there. And we also need some more lettuce, iceberg.
What kind of lettuce is that?
Iceberg, right there.
Oh, iceberg lettuce, yeah, it's
My
different.
favorite type, we all love it.
Yeah, we haven't grown that one yet.
Yeah, we have, in the mixed salad mix.
Uh-huh.
And we have zucchini, the blackjack kind.
Oh, zucchini.
I'm not a fan of zucchini,
Yeah.
but I'll eat it. And,
Alright, so is that all we're getting from here for today?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so let's go to irrigation, shall we?
Yes. Here we are in the irrigation section, and we got our pins, 13mm pipes, and 13mm ends and 19mm ends, and we're ready to go home now.
So we're going to go home and put it all together, yeah?
Yeah. We are now back from Bunnings, and we got our little bits and pieces so we can attach to the irrigation system. But as you can see, my dad used to have an irrigation system for our grass, but now we are going to be using it for our garden. Here, as you can see, I have cut a 4mm pipe, and I will be attaching this end to this part.
What's that you're holding there?
This is a sprinkler that goes around in a circle.
Uh-huh.
And if you turn it this way, I believe, it will go down.
Oh, so if you turn it inwards, it makes less water. If you turn it out, it makes more water. So it's adjustable.
Yes, but if you turn it out, it will come off and it will spray you everywhere. But you put one end on this side, and then I believe you twist this part first, actually.
Yes, so the little spigot piece.
And you get this part and connect it.
Into the
You want
pipe.
to make sure you connect it really good, so it doesn't come off.
So you got to push the pipe onto the little nozzle piece,
Yeah, like
and
that.
you're making sure that the pointy end is sticking out. Yeah.
Is that good, Dad?
That's perfect.
Then we have the other end, which I'm going to connect into this part,
Yeah.
which was what I was trying to do until it came off. Is
Okay.
that good?
Yeah. So the other end you've got onto the sprayer.
Yes.
So now we've made like a tail for the sprayer.
Uh-huh. Like this. It's like a long tail.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
We'll be poking it.
Well, we've got one already set up there for the people to see. If you want to show them this one.
Yes.
So that's tied in
Is this
to our
part?
30mm pipe.
Yes. And this part's stuck in there, and this part's just like that. And as you can see, we tested it, so this is moist and it's dripping.
Awesome.
Like it's still coming.
Okay, so let's put a few more in, and then we'll do a test run and show the people.
Yes.
True. Okay.
Here I am with my dad putting some pipes together.
Okay, so here we have some 13mm pipe that we're going to be putting together. We have a bend here, 90-degree bend, and we just push it in. You want to do that. Push this one in too.
Isn't that too long to fit in there?
No.
Oh.
Right, we're going like that. But first what we'll do is we'll put some clamps on here. So do you want to pass some 13mm clamps and chuck them on? So we always have to clamp the pipes to make sure that they don't burst off when the water pressure comes, yeah? Yep. On to that one. So we're using this clamping tool now to tighten it up.
Is that good there?
No, just some more.
It's hard to clamp it.
Okay, beautiful. This one. Good job. Let me check. Okay, perfect. Now I'll push this one into here. So we drilled a hole before in the side to allow the pipe to go through and into the garden bed. Alright, Chris, you want to put another clamp on? Do it. Okay, awesome. That's it, then we can push that in. And there it is, ready to go.
Now that we are done with our pipe work, we have to flush out the pipe so that way no dirt comes out of the sprinkler. Is it working?
It sure is, we'll have a look. Okay. Yeah, we're getting water coming out of one end over this side.
Are they coming out?
Yeah, okay, let's go. We'll go turn it off so I can block some of it up. Oh yeah, see there's some water coming out of there. Okay, go turn it off, Chrissy.
Nothing's coming out of that one.
Yeah, we'll block up some of the ones that are doing well.
As you can see, all our sprayers have been installed by my dad
And you.
and me.
Yeah.
And now we are going to be testing them.
So we've got sprayers here.
Whoa.
And we've got some deep in the jungle of the tomato.
Yes, the jungle.
Yeah.
In the spring onion patch as well.
Yeah.
Right in the center. In the
Okay,
lettuce.
so let's go over to the tap and do a test run, shall we?
Yes, we shall. Alright guys, here we go. They're working! Oh,
Working very well, spraying everywhere.
it's not working. No way. This one's not working.
We have to maybe open it a bit. See how we can adjust it a little bit.
Show them how you can like
Yeah, see when we turn it in a bit, makes it a bit lower. Yeah, if you open it up a little bit.
It's getting me, it's getting me.
You're getting. And turn this one down a little bit. Perfect.
I like how it's in a little bowl shape, it's cute.
Yeah. Alright, Chrissy. I reckon we can go on now and adjust them all.
Yep.
And that'll be the end of our show, I think, isn't it?
Yep.